Hello students, today we will start the expansion chapter. What is the definition of your expansion? Expansion means the process of expanding. Like if we expand here what a whole square, we can write what a into b. Yes or no? Similarly, in the place of a, if I take a plus b, in the place of a I am taking a plus b. So a plus b whole square equal what? We can write a plus b into a plus b. Now we see here how we can multiply here a into this first term into this whole term a into a plus b. Now which sign is here? Plus b. So plus b into again a plus b. So what happens here? A into a square, a into a what? B, ab, b into a, ba, and plus b and plus b, b square, b into b, b square. Now see here, AB and your BA, these two are your like terms. Sorry, we can write AB equal to BA. So, yeah, A square plus your AB, the BA can be written as your what? AB. So, A square plus AB plus AB, A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. So, we can write here A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, after your expansion of your A plus B whole square, what we got? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, if I take the second one, a minus b whole square. Now here I will put here what sign? A minus b. So here I can write here a minus b into a minus b. Now a into a minus b. Now which sign is here? Minus. So I will put here minus sign. Okay. And here also a minus b. So it will becomes minus ab, it will becomes minus ab, and here minus b and minus b. It will become plus b square. So it is minus ab, now it is also minus ab, minus ab, minus ab, minus 2ab. So what is the formula? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This will be written. Now we have got third one, is here. What is the third one? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square here? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And here a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now we see here a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here we can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here plus 2ab and minus 2ab. They cancel each other. So after cancellation, we will get here a square plus a square. A square plus b square will get here 2a square. And b square plus b square will get here 2b square. Or simply if I take 2 common here, so I will get here 2 into a square plus b square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? Here I can write 2 into a square plus b square. What I can write here? 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Similarly, if I take here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, means if this sign, this plus becomes minus, so it also becomes minus. Okay. So when it becomes minus, what happens here? So here we can write here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here, after opening the bracket, which sign is here? Minus. Negative sign is here. So all the positives they becomes negative and negatives become positive. So sign will change here. So minus a square, here minus b square, and here minus minus plus 2ab. So minus a square, sorry, plus a square minus a square get cancelled. Plus b square minus b square get cancelled. 2ab plus 2ab. So 4ab. So what is the formula? For the a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, we will get here 4ab. What will you get here? 4ab. Next you come to a plus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square. What is in the place of a? Now we will compare this formula with this one. A plus b whole square. In the place of b, what is here? What is here? 1 by a. So we can write this one as a whole square plus 1 by a whole square plus 2 into a into b b in the place of b, what is it? 1 by a. So this get cancelled. So this becomes a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Okay, so what is the formula here? After expansion we will get a plus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Okay, next if I take here minus, so what happens? A square plus b square minus 2 will be, so minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So here what I will get here? A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a and a will be cancelled, and here what? 2 into 1 minus 2. So after your what expansion of a minus 1 by a whole square, we will get here a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now similarly, see here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is the formula? 4ab. Or see here a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square equal to what you can write? A plus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square means you can write a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. This is the formula of a plus 1 by a whole square. Now let's check here. What is here? A minus 1 by a whole square. A minus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So this plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel. After cancellation, a square plus a square, 2a square, and 1 by a square plus 1 by a square, 2 by a square. Now if I take 2 common here, so what happened? A square plus 1 by a square. So what is the formula of this one? 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Okay. Similarly, if you go for the last one, a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square. So if I take here minus, if I take here minus sign, which sign? Minus sign. So what happens? Let's see. So for a plus 1 by a, we can write here a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, and here we can write a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Okay, a plus 1 by a whole square equal to what? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2, and here a minus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Okay, now we open the bracket. Okay, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, here minus a square minus 1 by a square plus 2. It is positive, so it becomes negative. Minus a square, this becomes positive. This is here what positive, so it becomes negative 1 by a square, and this minus will become plus. So here, see here, minus a square plus a square, get cancelled. Plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square, get cancelled. 2 plus 2. So here what? A plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4. And last one, another one, you have to remember this one, a plus b into a minus b, this equal to what? A square minus b square. How you see it? Here a plus b into a minus b. So if you what take here, a into a minus b, you can write here a into a minus b plus b into, you can write here a minus b. Okay, first term into a minus b plus b into here what is a minus b. So a into a square minus ab, b into a plus a, here what plus b minus b, so minus b square plus ab minus ab, get cancelled. What will get after evaluation we will get a square minus b square. This is the last one. So these are the what formulae you have to remember for this here what chapter, first here what exercise. So these are the what some formulae which you have to remember for the what first exercise. Now let us see some